When life is overwhelmed and you have a lot of emotions, do visit T Hub. It's in Hitech City. And right now, we will be moving around the chasms of IT. Here you can see Sattva, and we are around the buildings which have created history in Hyderabad. The roads which are never ending, the traffic which keeps moving, and the night which is soothing. Life is definitely a fast-paced train if you look at it, but there are many U-turns. Do take it, especially next to Puja. And straight, if I see, you can see endless buildings. You can see the entrances and exits of huge edifices. Some parked cars and buses and bikes. And this whole T Hub is surrounded by this peaceful sceneries, this concrete jungle where we have information technology sitting in, embedded, engraved in our hearts and brains. And if you see these bling bling buildings, these glittery and starry edifices, you'll feel the peace which you are waiting for. And I can guarantee you, if you really want to have some peace in this rigmarole world, do take a drive around T Hub. For a minute you'll feel the proud feeling that Hyderabad is growing, and we have to grow with it because we are a part of it. The people of 90s and 80s, when they see Hyderabad, especially today's Hyderabad, they're mesmerized. This whole glass-filled buildings shining makes them question their own identity. They ask themselves, was this the Hyderabad I was in before? And this whole change, this whole progress is because of you, because you are a part of it too. And if you look at the cops, they're doing their jobs, they're doing it really well. And because of them, we sleep safely. And our laborers are putting their hard work. And the toil is definitely commendable. As we see here, the malls, the Dallas building, and definitely these shimmering lights, which makes Hyderabad look like a queen. The huge buildings, the company names, makes this place a heaven where we people enjoy, we look and we assimilate this space, and we try to look at each other into each other's eyes and say how happy we are to be a part of this growing Hyderabad. The traffic lights definitely mesmerizes me and you too. And the taillights of all the cars makes a symphony, and the roads and IKEA, which is seen from everywhere, is another iconic place. And if we keep moving in any direction, you'll see the neon lights surrounded buildings. You'll see squares and subways and bridges and footpaths and the foot over bridge as well, giving you the feel of progress, because you are the future, you are the present of Hyderabad. The nightlife of Hyderabad is more interesting than you can even think of. But yes, you have to be at the right place. This is where you see the circles, the circle of life, where you go anywhere but you come back to Hyderabad, the place of progress, the place of IT, the place of food. ITTV Global Media, the voice of engineers. To look at the world through our eyes. Do cherish this moment. Do look at people and smile, because they expect you to be happy too. Because everybody in Hyderabad sleeps with a full stomach and a full heart. Everybody in Hyderabad are in that glamorous world with all the companies surrounded them, giving them the income, increasing the per capita, and making you feel proud as you are a part of this Vande Telangana.